Welcome back to my channel CHKDSK Official. In today's video, we will learn how you can troubleshoot Windows problems using command prompt and fix common issues like system errors, corrupted files, and network problems. So let's get started. Many users face different kinds of problems on Windows, like crashes, slow performance, blue screen errors, or internet issues. And one of the most powerful built-in tools to fix these problems is command prompt. At first, it may look complicated, but once you start using it, you'll realize it's actually very simple and extremely useful. Now let's start with the basics. First, click on Windows Search and type CMD or command prompt. From the suggestions, right-click on command prompt and select Run as administrator. This step is important because some commands require full system permission to run properly. Now the command prompt window will open. The first thing we will do is check and repair corrupted system files. Whenever your system crashes, slows down, or behaves unexpectedly, there's a high chance that some system files are corrupted. To fix this, type the following command, sfc/scan now. Then press enter. This command will scan your system for any corrupted or missing files and automatically repair them. Now you need to wait until the process reaches 100%. Once it's completed, you will see a message showing whether any issues were found and fixed. In many cases, this command alone can solve major Windows problems. Now if the issue is still not fixed, we will use another powerful tool called DISM. In the same command prompt window, type the following command, DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Then press enter. This command will repair the Windows system image and fix deeper issues that SFC cannot fix. Again, wait for the process to complete. After this, it is recommended to run the SFC command once again to ensure everything is properly repaired. This combination of DISM and SFC is one of the most effective ways to fix system-related problems. Now let's move to the next method, fixing internet and network issues. Sometimes your Wi-Fi may disconnect frequently, internet speed becomes slow, or websites don't load properly. Before blaming your internet provider, you can try these simple commands. First, IP protocol configuration/release. Then press enter. This will release your current IP address. Next, type IP protocol configuration/renew. This will request a new IP address from your network. After that, type IP protocol configuration/flushtens. This command clears the DNS cache and removes outdated or corrupted network data. These commands can fix many common internet-related issues like slow browsing, connection drops, or website loading errors. You can also restart your system after running these commands for better results. By using these simple command prompt tools, you can troubleshoot many Windows problems without installing any third-party software. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to CHKDSK Official.